Oh no, I have been impaled. Oh no. Okay, wait, I wanna. Oh wait!
There's more than one infantry.
We did it. We did it.
I'm so proud.
Oh my gosh.
How's it going?
My blood's going to my head.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't have a
Wow.
seatbelt or anything.
Your head's getting redder by the minute.
Yo, what's up?
How did you guys manage?
It's called magic, okay?
No, anytime.
It's so much worse than I thought it was.
What do we
I'm
do?
gonna
So this
get
is
SL
team,
blood ready.
This is the team we got right here. Starting from the spawn, this is what we got. Awesome.
Oh my gosh.
What the fuck?
You guys look so much better upside down, honestly.
What the?
Gosh.
I'm slowly turning into a strawberry.